KW LaMarada, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. We're going to be having a hands-on workshop at your office, and this is going to be on July 20th from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And this is going to be a session that's going to change your business for the better immediately. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to apply your business techniques that you learn right there in the class. And what we're going to be doing in the morning session is become Google great. I'm going to show you all the things that Google can do and do for free to help build and grow your business. I've got agents all across the United States that have made an extra $200,000 annually to their bottom line just from these free techniques. Take our lunch break. We're going to come back. We're going to talk 7 ways to grow your business. The record for this class, father and son brokerage team, added 1.4 million back to their bottom line in 4 months. And then in the afternoon session, we're going to go in and we're going to finish up with how to generate online recruiting leads while you sleep. So I'm going to show you how you can build your profit share with Keller Williams very easily and very quickly with online leads. Total cost for this day-long session is only $25. Completely crazy fee, so low. You got to take advantage of this. This is going to be a game changer for your business. So I'll see you guys on July 20th. Thanks.